Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code 407 in Windows. So this error 407 in Microsoft Teams, also known as proxy authentications required, occurs when the applications encounters difficulties connecting to the internet through a proxy server. And the root cause of this issue is usually tied to a proxy server that requires authentications, outdated Teams versions, improper system configurations, and restrictions imposed by a network administrator. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update the Microsoft Teams. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up your Microsoft Teams account. So click lang natin yan. And once nakapag-login ka na dito sa ating Microsoft Teams account, so kung paano ba natin ito i-update? So dito lang sa top right corner, so makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot beside dito sa ating Microsoft Teams profile. So i-click mo lang yung tatlong dot, ito yung settings and more. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung check updates. Okay, so i-select mo lang dito kung mayroon ditong updates. So kailangan mo lang i-update itong Microsoft Teams para ma-fix yung problem. And then pwede mo naman i-check dito kung ano yung bagong update. So i-select mo lang dito yung help and select mo lang dito yung what's new. So click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa Microsoft web browser. So makikita mo dito kung ano yung bago dito sa Microsoft Teams, and then scroll down ka lang and makikita mo lahat dito kung ano yung bagong update dito. So ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall the Microsoft Teams. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong control panel, so dito lang sa top right corner, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then i-select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So i-click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong programs and features, so ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft Teams. Okay? So once na-locate mo na dito yung Microsoft Teams, so for example, select mo lang ganyan. And then dito sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung uninstall. Okay? So itap mo lang yan. Alright, so once nagawa mo na yan, and then close lang natin dito. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code 407 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.